Hello guys, welcome back to our technical of paint, and in today's video I am going to tell you about the powder coatings. So in this session we will be discussing about the topics, what are the powder coatings and how it works, and what are the durability of powder coatings, and what are the substrates where we can apply powder coatings. So people almost mostly think that powder coatings only we can apply on metal substrate, but in this video we are going to tell you about most other substrates where we can apply powder coatings. So let's begin with the topic. So what is the powder coatings? So uh, we will be having a question in our mind that uh, what is the powder coatings generally? So you can say the coatings without a solvent and thinner, means the coating those don't have any kind of solvent, like solvent may be a thinner, solvent, water waste or anything. So those coatings having no solvent, they are powder coatings. So generally, powder coatings, you can say it is a dry finishing process that has become extremely popular since its introduction in North America over in the 1960, and now it's very popular around the world as well. So by representing over 15% of the total industrial finishing market, means it covers 15% industrial market finishing market, and powder is used on a wide array of products. So more and more companies specify powder coatings for a high quality, durability finish, allowing for maximized production because it's a less power and labor consuming process than its improved efficiencies and simplified environmental complaints. So this is eco-friendly coatings because this is not having any kind of solvent. Those will be evaporate from the coating after it will get dry. So this is totally eco-friendly, and less wastage are there. So and used as a functional, protective and decorative finishes. So powder coatings are available in almost limitless range of colors and textures as well. Means we can see there are a lot of sets, colors and textures are available. We can go with anyone whatever you want, or whatever we want to get that color or textures. And technologies, so advancement have also resulted in excellent performance properties. So these are the things we will get with powder coatings. So how powder coating works? Uh, this is the main our topic concept, means powder coating is still okay, but how it works, that is the main thing. So powder coatings are based on polymer resin systems, you can say, and combining different kind of curative pigments, labeling agents, flow modifiers and other additives. Means almost we can say powder coatings are same like a uh, solvent based coatings and water based coatings, but they are not having differences there, that they are not having any kind of solvent. They are other having all kind of pigments, labeling agents and other raw materials, flow modifiers and other additives instead of solvent. So these ingredients are mixed and cooled and ground into a uniform powder similar to baking flour. So a process called electrostatic spray deposition is typically used to achieve the application of the powder coating for a metal substrate. So the process is spray application through we can uh, apply the powder coating on a metal substrate, and this application method is uses a spray gun which applies an electrostatic charge to the powder particles. B means we give electrostatic charge to the powder particles, and which are then attracted to the grounded part, means where we are going to apply our paint or powder coatings. After application of the powder coatings, the parts enter a curing oven where with the addition of heat the coating chemically reacts to the produce long molecular chains. and resulting in high cross-linking density. Means you will get a high molecular chance and it will resistance to the breakdowns. So this type of application is the most common method of applying powders, and powder coatings can also be applied to non-metallic substrates such as a plastic, medium density fiberboard as well, and metals we know that we can apply. So sometimes powder coatings is applied during a fluidized bed applications. So in this process, generally preheated parts are dipped in a hopper of fluidized powder and the coating melts and flows out on the part. Then post cure may be needed depending on the mass and temperature of the part and the type of powder used. So no matter which application process is utilized, powder coatings are easy to use, environmentally friendly, cost effective and tough. So they are almost they are very good for our environment, and in case of cost they are not too much costly. They are eco-friendly and economic coatings. So now next things, what is the durability of powder coatings? Means how they are durable, like in the long term or for interior, or in a case of UV. So powder coatings is a high quality finish found on thousands of products you come in a contact each day. So there are thousands of products each day we come in contact, and they are having powder coatings, and powder coatings protects the roughest toughest machinery as well as the household items and you depend on daily. So it provides a more durable finish than liquid paint can offer, so while still providing an attractive finish as well. And powder coated products are most resistant to diminished coatings. Means they are very good and flawless and coatings, and they are having a best quality as a result of impact, moisture, chemical, ultraviolet rays, and other extreme weather conditions. Means they won't be ruined in the different climates, and they are uh, very good in resistance moisture chemicals as well. And in terms and in turn, this reduces the risk of scratches, chipping, abrasion, corrosion, fading, and other wear issues. So we know that for metal, corrosion is a basic thing. Almost uh, metals having paint, water-based paint or solvent-based paint, but still they get corrosed. So this powder coatings provide very good corrosion resistance to metal because it applied with a electrostatic spray, uh, and this is not having any kind of solvent. Because of that, it will give you a better corrosion resistance properties, and it's a tough and it looks great and it's last long time coatings. And in addition to being durable, powder coatings is an attractive choice due to environmental advantages. So this is the advantages and durability of the coatings we can look forward. So and different kind of substitutes we can apply: fiberboard, metal, plastics. So nowadays these kind of coatings are very familiar in the industrial market as well as for household products, and really they are very eco-friendly coatings. So because of some regulations, industries are moving for the powder coatings. So different kind of industries are using these coatings nowadays. So I hope that you guys would be like this session, and you will get some knowledge about powder coatings and your perceptions. What do you think about powder coatings? Let us know about in comment box. So thank you guys for being a part of today's video, and I hope that you would like this video. So thank you guys. If you like, please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.